Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, who's most merciful, compassionate, almighty of the worlds. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers and students. I am your Imam of the English trainer. Today I am gonna translate the remaining parts of chapter 1, Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu, the model of tolerance. So let's start. After conquest of Makkah. After mean बाद conquest fatah of Makkah the Makkah. After conquest of Makkah, fatah Makkah na pas ya the Makkah the fatah kawolo na pas when kala everybody har sok gathered jama in Khana Kaaba Khana Kaaba ke. When everybody gathered in Khana Kaaba, kala che tol khalaq pa Khana Kaaba ke ra jama shwal. Gathered the gather second form there. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked second form the tapos kawal pakhtana kawal people Khalq, Log, Quraysh, the Quraysh. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the people of Quraysh. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu the Quraysh, the Khalqona tapusu karo. What do you expect at my hand? What interrogative pronoun the WH question word the expect tawako kawal at my hand zama dala sunana no dalta ba mana dasi shi what do you expect at my hand taso zamana satawako larai ya taso zama dala sununa sa tawako larai min chekala Makkah fatashwa au tol khalq rajamashwal no Hazrat Muhammad sallam the Makkah the Qurayshna pohtana ukra che taso zamana satawako larai زکه چې قریشو د هغه سره ډېر بې انتها ظلمونه کړي وو نو they all shouted in one voice they هغوی all تمام ټول shouted the shout second form دی چیغه وهل one voice په یوه اواز نو هغو ټولو په یوه اواز چیغه وهله kindness and pity kindness مهربانی pity رحم gracious brother gracious مهربان brother ورورا او gracious نیفو مهربان ورارا نیفو من ورارا they were not disappointed actually the jumla the passive tha they were not disappointed mean mayus na umida no de da mana shwa che hagoi mayusa kri shwi nu min hagoi da Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu na umid wa tawaqu no zaka warta tholo paya wa awaaz wel che mung dastana da mehrubane او درهم امید ده Hazrat Muhammad sallam said the same forgave words as Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam had said to his brother Hazrat Muhammad sallam said u farmayal ada yakral the same hum haga shan forgiving words the bakhane the mafe alfaz is kum che Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam had said, फरमायली his پوزیسیو اډجکټیو دی. برادر خپلو ورونو لا یا د هغه ورونو لا. نو حضرت محمد صلی الله علیه وسلم said the same forgiving words as Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam had said to his brother. حضرت محمد صلی الله علیه وسلم هم هغه د معافی والا الفاظ ورته وفرمایل کوم چې یوسف علیه السلام خپلو ورونو له فرمایلی وو. Have no fear this day. Fear mean خوف یرا. day ورځ پنن ورځ مه یاریږئ یا پنن ورځ مه ډارېږئ. May Allah forgive you. Forgive mean معاف کول بخل. الله دې تاسو معاف کړي یا الله دې تاسو وبخښي. and او he دلته الله رب العزت لا اشاره ده. he is the most merciful او وایي چې الله رب العزت most ډېر بې انتها merciful رحیم ذات دی مهربان ذات دی. of those په هغو who show mercy څوک چې رحم ښایي. may Allah forgive you. الله دې تاسو معاف کړي. and he is the most merciful of those who show mercy او الله رب العزت انتهایی رحیم دی په هغو څوک چې په نورو رحم کوي.